Oh my god.
Well, I was late because I got here. Look, I have been like this nonstop. Nonstop. I've been literally my last 72 hours have been.
Esfand, what was that?
What?
Think about what you just did and how it sounded to my chat when I'm full cam and they can't see what you're doing. I've been like this non-stop.
That's not what I meant. I meant, look, it's just nonstop, just action.
Doesn't mean that that form of racism is okay if you truly are preaching from that point of, you know, I'm the hero we need. I'm preaching the good, right? And I just don't understand. I just see so many goddamn fucking things. Oh, he got banned for anti-white racism. That's fucking stupid. Like when I read that, I immediately lock in to all the clout chasers and to all the fucking virtue signaling clout fucking opportunists, right? Because if you truly are consistent with what you preach and what you believe, and you truly are a good person, it doesn't matter what form of racism it is. You should be consistent all across the board.
You realize communists are responsible for COVID. So what we're talking about right now is World of Warcraft. I know Hasan's banned for a week, and I mean, you're probably banned in his chat, but you're gonna have to wait for him to come back, and then we can, you know, you'll be able to have that conversation with him. Yeah, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? What's the point?
This photo, by the way, like you're taking this photo like hidden somewhere. Like, look at this. There's no fucking way, dude. No, that would be so horrible.
Hey, you locked me out. Let me in. 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 Let me in.
Cookie, come here. I'll let you in. Don't trash the place.
Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
Yeah.
Let me in. Let me in.
What the fuck? Jaeger! I'm just trying to help.
Let me in. 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 Let me in.
Here, the cat's
Do
here.
not let him in here.
Okay, okay. Did you lock the door? Okay, the door's locked. Thank
Let
God.
me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in now. Let me in. Let me in. Open the door. Let me in now. Now. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
Do you have a surgery kit for me? Do you have a surgery kit for me? Dude, I like you so much.
We are now best friends.
Yeah.
Okay, Esfand is a favorite. Okay.
Actually, no, Wubby's my favorite.
No, Wubby's your
Wubby's
favorite?
Wubby's definitely my favorite. Wubby top tier.
Okay.
And Hasan, I met Hasan.
Hasan.
You know what?
Yeah.
I would say Hasan's my favorite, but I am Caucasian, so I'm probably not his favorite, so I can't.
Got it.
I don't
Yes.
think that's fair to say, so.
Okay, and then?
This is Henry. And he's not enslaved because he actually just really, really loves cleaning. That's all he loves doing. And when he's not turned on, he's lifeless. So instead of feeling bad about running him ever because it felt like slavery, I run him all the time, and he's happy.
Shut up! Shut up! I am talking! Shut up, bitch! Woman, bitch! You got sex 5! Do you understand how fucking lucky you are? Do you get it?
Dude, I just have a big brain.
That's what I have to go. Sex 5? You're not smart! You're not special! You're nothing! I had to do Marco fucking Polo!
Bro, okay, I'm gonna be honest.
You should know not to put game when there's the word fall. Fall Guys? I feel like that's such a...
Okay,
I thought Mark
even
was a
if
hunter's
Fall
mark.
Guys wasn't it, you should have known not to put it. Did you ask me to play Warcraft 3 tonight?
No, I did not.
Alright, we'll go ahead and remove that. Yep, this seems right. Let me double check the math. You owe me $500.
Dude, okay, you're... Shut up.
You said a lot of words there that didn't mean anything until shut up.
Because first of all, he said a lot more words that didn't fucking mean anything.
Yeah,
The
but
math
people,
checks out.
people like listening to Vigor sometimes for